Okay, so hi everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. मेरा नाम कविता विल्सन है एंड आई एम मैनेजर इंडिया फॉर ईटॉन कॉलेज। आज के सेशन में हम लाइव हुए हैं विथ रीड ओवरसीज। रीड ओवरसीज इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ चंडीगढ़ एंड दे आर ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्राइम पार्टनर्स ऑफ ईटॉन कॉलेज। सो आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट प्रोग्राम्स, एडमिशन रिक्वायरमेंट्स, इनटेक्स and followed by scholarship. So stay tuned and be there towards the end of the session as well. So talking about location, we are located in Vancouver downtown. College Vancouver downtown में located है and college एक 18 years old renowned college है. Talking about the surroundings, अगर आप college के आसपास की location देखें, we have 97 plus hotels, motels and resorts around the campus. That means as a student आपके पास में tremendous part-time job opportunity available है around the campus itself. Nearest airport अगर आप देखें, it is Vancouver International Airport, which is just 16 kilometers away from our college, and we have Vancity Metro Station, which is just 1 minute away. If you see, metro trains are the easiest way of communication, easiest mode of communication for international students, and it is just 1 minute away. So overall, campus की location बहुत ही strategic है in terms of easy accessibility to public transportation and also in terms of tremendous opportunity available around the campus. Okay, now going ahead, talking about Vancouver City. Vancouver City basically is known for its pleasant climatic condition, with Vancouver being summers being 25 to 27 degrees and winters being 2 to -5 degrees. So it has got a pleasant climatic condition for international students. Now accreditations की अगर हम बात करें Eton College की, we are certified by EQA, that is Education Quality Assurance. We fall under PTIB regulation. We fall under Category 1 in terms of British Columbia Ministry ranking. हमारा कॉलेज एक DLI अप्रूव्ड कॉलेज है. आप हमारा DLI नंबर cic.canada की वेबसाइट पे रेफर कर सकते हैं. एंड वी आर ऑल्सो देयर ऑन DLI अप्रूव्ड COVID-19 readiness college list. So in case your student would like to travel, after the flights reopen, the students can travel as well. As a college, we support our students with travel support letter. Talking about post-study work visa, students after they complete their program at Eton College, उन्हें एक progression लेना पड़ेगा to one of the partner university, and after they complete the progression, once they complete the entire progression program, they get eligible for a post-study work visa from Canada itself. So let's discuss the programs in detail. Eton College में हम programs offer करते हैं majorly diploma programs, जो कि specialize करते हैं in tourism, hospitality and business administration. And if you see, the students have an option to have a transfer from college to university, and to make sure कि आपका progression smooth रहे from our college to the university, we have got Eton College pathway staff who will assist your students for a smooth progression. Now talking about the articulations or the progression option that we have, so we call it articulation program. हमारे पास currently दो type के articulations हैं. One is in country articulation, second one is overseas articulation. So in country आपके पास ऑप्शन है to transfer your credits to Capilano University, Royal Road University, Vancouver Community College and University Canada West. Now these are the options not only within Canada but also within British Columbia, and the best part is, if you see the distance between Eton College and these articulation university, they are pretty nearby. So the distance between Capilano and Eton is just 30 minutes. Distance between Eton and Vancouver Community College or University Canada West is just 5 minutes. So basically the student will just have to, they do not have to worry about changing their accommodation or part-time job. That's pretty manageable distance that's there. Talking about the programs, अगर हम programs की बात करें, we have wide range of programs in the field of tourism and hospitality. Let's discuss them one by one. So the first program that we have is business administration majors in hospitality management. इस program के completion के बाद students eligible रहते हैं to transfer their credits either to Royal Road University or to Vancouver Community College towards a bachelor's of hospitality management. Next option that you have is business administration majors in travel and tourism management. After you complete your program at Eton, you have got an option to transfer your credits either to Capilano University or Royal Road University towards a bachelor's of tourism management. इसके अलावा हमारे पास डिप्लोमा इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन प्रोग्राम है. बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के प्रोग्राम के कंप्लीशन के बाद में या तो आप अपने क्रेडिट्स को सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सियाटल में ट्रांसफर करा सकते हो, या फिर विक्टोरिया यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वेलिंगटन और यूनिवर्सिटी कैनाडा वेस्ट. सो वेयर एवर यू आर टेकिंग अ ट्रांसफर टू, यू गेट अ बैचलर्स ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फ्रॉम the respective university. And after the completion of program, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, you also get eligible for a post-study work visa. The next program that we have is diploma programs. So I'm sure a lot of students rather than a bachelor's degree, but then bachelor's में आपका visa success ratio high रहता है and bachelor's में आपके PR के points भी ज़्यादा होते हैं. So I would suggest that you should look for bachelor's as an option. But we do have a diploma program also. Diploma में हमारे पास travel and tourism management है and travel tourism and flight attendant preparation course है. So flight attendant preparation course at present सिर्फ Eton College offer करता है to international students, and both of these are a 1-year program at Eton. Program के completion के बाद आप एलिजिबल रहते हैं to transfer your credits to Capilano University towards a diploma or a degree in tourism management. The last program that we have is Tourism and Hospitality Canadian Experience Co-op. ये एक co-op program है. So basically इसमें आपके पास 2 years का study है, out of which semester 1 and semester 3 you study, semester 2 and semester 4 you work, and यहाँ पे आप work करते हैं for 40 hours per week. So it is a full-time work experience which is a part of your program, and after the completion of program you also get 1 year of on-paper work experience. So these are the programs that we are offering to international students at present. Now let's discuss the admission requirements. Admission requirements में we have got only two major requirements that we have. One is your grade 12. So grade 12 में you should have 55% overall, no subjects below 45. That's one. And we also look for one of the English language requirements to be met. So you should have an IELTS of 6 overall, no modules less than 5.5. इसके अलावा TOEFL score भी accepted है. TOEFL we take 61. PTE we take 54, no modules less than 48, and Duolingo test of English we take a score of 105 to 110. So out of these 4 English language requirements, कोई भी एक requirement आपके लिए meet करना mandatory है. Talking about boards, so we are accepting NIOS, distance learning and open schooling as well, and हमारे जो requirements हैं they remain same across all board. Application fees currently waived off है for international students, and very important is right now हम scholarships भी offer कर रहे हैं to the international students. So we are offering a huge scholarship of 5,000, up to 5,000 CAD, which is a totally merit-based scholarship, and this is the scholarship offered on your first year tuition fees. So do take this advantage of scholarship and do apply early. This is for fall 21 intake. So अभी आपका जो fall 21 intake है इसमें आपके पास 2 intakes हैं. One is your September 21 which is pretty near, and अगर आपकी सितंबर की डेडलाइन मिस होती है for visa filing, in that case we also have a November intake, November 21 intake, so you can always take a defer offer letter for November in case you miss on your visa deadline for September. Now talking about intakes, so we have, I already told you there are 2 intakes right now, September and November 21. एप्लीकेशन फीस वेव्ड ऑफ है. स्कॉलरशिप्स अवेलेबल हैं आपके पास बोथ द इंटेक्स के लिए, एंड एनुअल ट्यूशन फीस जो हमारी है फॉर प्रोग्राम इट जनरली रेंजेस बिटवीन 13,200 to 13,800 CAD per year, and this is including your textbook fees. Now talking about why should somebody study at Eton College, we offer you quick offer letters. We give you offer letters in 24 to 48 hours provided आपकी एप्लीकेशन कंप्लीट है. हमारे हर प्रोग्राम में आपके पास प्रैक्टिकम है. प्रैक्टिकम्स इट इज नथिंग बट इंटर्नशिप. आपको हर प्रोग्राम में इंटर्नशिप मिलता है दैट गिव्स यू सम हैंड्स ऑन वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. आपके इंटर्नशिप के आवर्स वेरी करते हैं 2 months से लेके 4 months के बीच में, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आप कौन सा प्रोग्राम चूज कर रहे हो. एंड वी कीप स्मॉल क्लास साइजेस. सो वी हैव गॉट क्लास साइज ऑफ 30 students. That's because we want to have a good student to faculty interaction ratio. We have unique credit transfer options available. So आपके पास options हैं to transfer your credits within Canada. I will just repeat the name of the universities here. It's Capilano University, Royal Road University, Vancouver Community College and University Canada West in Canada. और overseas में आपके पास option है of City University of Seattle और Victoria University of Wellington. So ये हमारे transfer options हैं. And you have जब हम आपको offer letter देते हैं, we also give you a combined offer letter for the Progression University that helps you for a better visa filing. And very very important, and I will repeat, is that we are offering merit based scholarship of up to 5,000 CAD. एंड जो प्रोग्राम्स हम आपको टीच कर रहे हैं ईटॉन में, दे आर यूनिक प्रोग्राम, दे आर एज पर द डिमांड इन द इंडस्ट्री. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट लिटिल फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स ऑफ टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री, अगर आप देखें, वैंकूवर इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन इन कैनेडा, with like British Columbia being the largest in terms of tourism industry, and air transportation is the largest service industry which is in British Columbia. So if you see, there are more than 3 lakh employment opportunity just in the field of tourism and hospitality. So we are teaching you unique service based and career focused programs at Eton College. Now viewers, I would request, in case if you have any questions, please use the comment section in the toolbar, type your questions there. I'll wait for a couple of seconds and we can go ahead with your questions. Do we have any questions for you? Okay, I cannot see any questions coming in the chat session. So in case if you have missed on any information, please connect with Read Overseas. They will be able to guide you with application and admission process. Do apply for Fall 21, because if you apply for Fall 21, you still have time. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, we give you offer letter in 24 hours. So if you are ready with your funds, you can apply. And अगर आपको time है for visa filing, in that case you can always apply for November intake as well. Our November intakes are open. Okay, I have a question here. Business diploma course. Yes, we are offering a business diploma program at Eton College. We call it diploma in business administration. और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, डिप्लोमा इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के प्रोग्राम के कंप्लीशन के बाद आप एलिजिबल रहते हैं फॉर प्रोग्रेशन टू ईदर यूनिवर्सिटी कैनेडा वेस्ट विच इज इन वैंकूवर इटसेल्फ, या फिर विक्टोरिया यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वेलिंगटन विच इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड, और सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सियाटल जिनका कि वैंकूवर कैंपस है. सो आप दो ऑप्शंस आपके पास विद इन वैंकूवर हैं, वन ऑप्शन आपके पास ओवरसीज है. सो दिस इज द प्रोग्राम रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव इज स्कॉलरशिप. So we are offering scholarship as I said, and this is a totally merit based scholarship for international students. आपके परसेंटेज के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है लास्ट एकेडमिक्स पे, एंड scholarships are there up to 5000 CAD which is on your first year tuition fees. जब हम आपको ऑफर लेटर इश्यू करते हैं, we will be mentioning your scholarship that you are eligible for this much amount of scholarship on your initial offer letter itself. Okay, any other questions? Duration of business program, Eton College में आपका फर्स्ट ईयर रहेगा, एंड उसके बाद में प्रोग्रेशन ईदर टू यूनिवर्सिटी कैनेडा वेस्ट फॉर 2 years या फिर सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सियाटल फॉर 2 years टूवर्ड्स अ Bachelor's of Business Administration. After you complete your program, you get up to 3 years of post-study work visa from Canada. Any other questions, viewers? Let's wait for a couple of more seconds. Let's have few more questions. Perfect, thank you. Okay, so in case अगर आपकी कोई भी questions miss हो गई हो, या फिर अगर आप you come across some of the questions after some time, then you can connect with Read Overseas. They are able to guide you with your application and admission process. And stay safe, stay healthy, and do apply for your offer letters. Have a great day.